Hi you guys, it's AliyaMonique and we're back with another video. Hi, we are back with a freaking video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we about to get into it because I missed a regular makeup routine and then I missed the Trap Music Tuesday. The beginning of this video is just going to be focused on my eyes look, and then the rest I'll play music while I'm doing the rest of my face. Are you ready? Let's get it. Okay. Oh, I look crazy. So I finished this eye, so we're gonna start with this one. Okay, it creased a little, but I'm going to just, and I don't set it, I leave the concealer wet and then I just put the product on top. But let me just blend it out a little bit more. We're going in with this palette. We're going in with this blue with my crowned brushes blend crease, and I'm just gonna pack this color on. Like, this is the main color. This is how you achieve this look. Okay, so once you pack the color on, you're gonna just take I'm gonna take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm gonna take just a brown or a yellow or something, just so I can put it on top, just to blend like the crease out. I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take like a dab of the blue, just so it can have a little bit of color, but just have a soft blend out at the top. I don't blend out crazy because you still want the color to still be there, but just a little. Okay, so then once you have this packed on, I'm gonna take this blue down here, this blue, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer crease just to darken this blue up. And then just leave it here, and you can drag a little bit to blend it, but we're just trying to darken this area up, just so it won't be so light. I'm gonna take this and the black. I'm gonna mix both of them. Just a dab of the black though, because black is black. Okay, you can add more black, you can't take away the black. Okay, so, and I'm gonna put it in the same area I put that blue.
It's OVA the creator.
So you're gonna work that like green and black on the outer crease area, and then you're just gonna like drag it into the crease softly, just so it can be like a nice like cut crease. I'm not gonna cut my crease. I hate cutting my crease, so I just found ways to avoid that. This is the look. I'm gonna just blend out more at the top because it's still a little harsh up here. I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take this blue right here and put that right in this area with my MAC 230 brush.
It's OVA the creator.
I'm gonna go back in this green and blue and then just darken up the outer corner a little bit more. On the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I treat you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings up. Okay, that's the start of the first song. Okay, so I have my eyelashes on. The eyelashes that I used, I got them from Amazon. They're they come in the 3-pack like this. They're called, this is how they look. Whatever. I'm gonna prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer, and let me put another song on because we ain't talking this whole thing, okay? Oh.
Fresh out the pan, only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a button lightly, and she gon' suck me like a fucking high C. Chains on the neck for the whole team.
Shotgun shells, we gon' always hit the target. Popcorn bitch shell popping out the cartridge. 30, stick it.
Without the foreplay, okay, cool. But not without the first day, okay, cool. Not before I have to wonder. Can you pictures posted on the wall?
Can you picture us posted on the wall?
I put her to sleep and she was like, sex. But not without the foreplay, okay, cool. But not without the first day, okay, cool.
Okay, you ready? I'm about to twerk for y'all. I'm about to twerk for y'all, okay?
Yeah, man. Every girl wine if you can. Custom girl wine on the edge. Kingston girl wine the head. So don't lose focus. Focus, I think them don't know us. Know us. Cause anytime we roll up, we look like hello.
Okay, we here.
On my neck look like I fell when I went fishing. So much diamonds on my bust now. Fucking, I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I like my dick suck. I buy you a sick truck. I buy you some new shit.
A handful of Weezy, sprinkling Dave East. Meant to fuck 50 for a powerful hour, but all that nigga wanna do is talk power for hours. He is my baby, he ain't taking an L, but he took it literally when I said go to hell.
He's a fucking one of these little rappers.
I'm just playing.
Little rappers.
I'm just playing. I'm saying.
Dreams of fucking one of these little rappers.
Barbie dreams. Dreams of fucking these little rappers, okay?
When all is said and done, you won't believe God is a woman undone. I don't wanna waste no time, yeah. You ain't got a one-track mind. You told me not to be, yeah. When you try to come for me, I keep on flourishing, yeah. And he said he gonna.
Yes, that's my song. Okay. Ooh, I had chills. Okay, I feel like playing some old school because I'm just in the mood for that, so let's get it.
Because he's mine and I can take no business trying to take my baby. So
Girl, I'm wanting you.
you want my man. You want my
I'm trying to find a girl that's down for me. Don't mess with my girl.
Find your own girl.
I can't really explain it. I'm so in
with no limit, so you don't worry about maxing when you spend. Ever since you been asking about the friends, how'd you like it if both I don't wanna trip, the truth is
I really like what I feel when I'm with you.
Say what? Ooh, what's up?
You know what's up. I'm digging you. What? Go baby, go baby, go baby, go.
Be my thighs and I'm out to in the morning.
I hope you guys enjoyed this monochromatic blue look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. Get a ring-a-ding-a-ding so you can be notified every time I post a video. Follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with the kid. Keep up with the kid, okay? Now, enjoy these slow-mos. Like, hello.